Start recording.
No.
Now guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Dito sa...
Something.
Wait! Is it... we are here in Canada?
No, in Winnipeg. Winnipeg in Canada and the highway.
Highway.
Right. Hi.
So I think narinig hello test mic. So today is Sunday. And kailan ang flight namin? Wednesday. 3 days more. So ngayon, follow up ko lang. Papalo up ko lang kasi nandito yung aking anak na dalaga. Before kasi nag-vlog kami kahapon. Wala siya. So papalo up ko ngayon. No?
Pop like this.
So i-interviewin natin siya guys. Are you ready ata?
Sure.
Sure? Uy, alam mo bang nag-email sa akin ng GoPro?
Yeah, you told me kanina.
Makipag-collaborate sila sa akin. And ang ganda ng bayad.
My bag is broken.
2,500 yata ang monthly sa 100,000 plus subscribers. Plus mga gamit ng GoPro. Anyway. Are you ready for my question? What are you wearing, bro? You're a copper? You're a copper. Anyway.
Video protected.
May boyfriend ka na?
No. Bawal. It's bawal.
Yeah. Wala pa siyang boyfriend. Bakit? Since wala kang boyfriend?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't have the money to have a boyfriend.
Why? You need to have a money?
Yeah, you need to be financially stable if you
For
want
what?
to be in a relationship. Kasi lang namang you would go on dates using your parents' money. Ano yun, mapahingi ng pera, pang date lang namin.
Hindi ka naman gagastos, ang lalaki yung
Hindi,
gagastos.
kahit na, but that's still so
So,
ano yun, hindi naman pwedeng lalaki lang yung maggastos given take.
oh, okay. So, yeah, that's good. That's good enough. So, walang nanliligaw sa'yo?
No. Because I don't talk to people too.
You don't talk to people too much?
Yeah. I don't really go out of the house.
Mm-hmm. But you have friends, right?
I have friends. I have guy friends.
Mm-hmm.
But hanggang friends lang, like not...
But they tried na manligaw sa'yo?
No.
Why?
Pag friends lang.
Mm-hmm. What if you fall in love with your friend?
O do you stop it?
Why?
Because it's better to be friends.
Di ba? Mas maganda yung friend kasi alam mo na yung ugali niya. Di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, so why you stop it?
Kasi basta ayoko. Ayoko ng tropa.
So ano yung ideal guy mo? Like me?
No.
Stricto.
I know, I don't like that.
Ay, gusto mo yung yung mabait.
Pa, can you stop like going forward kasi you're blocking the pedestrian?
No, it's
crossing
not.
na. Yes, you are.
Tapos,
I want someone that will let me do whatever I want.
yeah. Gano'n naman na si mama. I let her do what she want.
Okay.
Right?
Basta ayoko. I don't like
Okay.
I don't have a boyfriend.
So anong gusto mong, prefer mo na boyfriend? Like Filipino? Like,
Filipino kasi para... si Papa Filipino para same ng humor.
humor?
Wow.
Ayaw mo ng puti, foreigner?
No, kasi tinitake in mind ko din kung saan kayo comfortable. Kasi if I date other like people from different ethnicity, edi mag-a-adjust din kayo sa nila. Sa...
Sorry, hindi pala ako
Mag-a-adjust
naka-placer
din
pala.
sila.
Sorry.
So mas buti na from the same background.
So what is your ideal age na mag-boyfriend?
When I graduate.
Why?
Kasi nga I'm in school pa.
Okay, in school. That's good. Yeah, tapusin mo muna yung school mo kasi mas maganda yung may degree ka. Then may maganda kang work. Di ba? Huwag mong paniwalaan si mama, inspiration. No, it's not inspiration. Pag once broke up, away, then maapektuhan yung school mo. So mas maganda yung nakafocus ka sa school kasi wala kang iisipin kundi yung school. Kumain, matulog, mag part-time sa trabaho, then school. Yun lang. Akong bahala sa other things na mga kailangan mo. makatapos ng work na full time na talagang tapos ka na. Ang ganda yung trabaho mo. Di ba? Andyan na yung lalaki. Marami kang mamimit na lalaki along the way. Hindi lang isa. Marami kang makikilala dyan, but you have to choose. Pero paano mo mapipili kung tama yung lalaki na pipili mo?
That's why I'm not gonna date. Parang Katniel, tapos 12 years na kayo, tapos biglang
Eh, ba't napasok si Katniel?
Kasi ganun, parang pag 12 years na kayo nag-date, tapos nag-break kayo, edi sayang yung
Eh, ibig sabihin yung babae, yung pumunta ng Calgary, date lang sila noon? Hindi sila boyfriend?
Hindi, they're in a relationship.
Ah, okay. Bakit si Aldel na naman ngayon? Alden?
Kasi they're loved him right now.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
friends lang sila, I don't know. Not
Friends.
updated anymore.
Papachika-chika na naman tayo dito sa mga Katniel yan. Ikaw, Kali, what's your plan in your life? Having a girlfriend?
No.
Why not? Anong ideal mo na example
Kali's
like
too young for that.
no, like Kali is smart. Like Kali, if like your age is like Ata. So anong ideal mong girl? Filipino or Canadian?
Mika Lim.
No.
Like you're working already. And like Ninong Howard.
Whoa.
Oh. What is your ideal na girl? Just example. You want Filipina and you want white girls, black girls, Asian girls.
White girl.
White girl? Okay, white girl. Remember that, guys.
You don't like Mika Lim?
You don't like You don't like Filipina?
No.
Why? You're Filipino.
No.
No.
I'm Ladino.
Patuli ka muna, no? Siyempre, no? Like Uwa.
Pasa share, bro.
Sure, bro?
Yeah.
But you have to tell me pag meron kang girlfriend, okay? Oh,
We are going to Pau Pau.
yeah, we're going to Pau Pau.
Ako, I'm not gonna tell.
You drive. You
You have to
drive.
tell me.
No, I'll only tell Mama.
Why
Maybe
not?
I'll tell you after a year.
Why not?
No,
Then-
kasi you're strict.
Then ma-surprise ako bakit kailangan ko munang kilatisin
No,
yung
ayoko.
lalaki. Kailangan ko munang tingnan kung seryoso ba talaga siya. I know how to do it.
No, I don't know.
Right?
Si Mama na lang.
No. Let me know.
Mama knows everything.
I know, but you have to let me know.
No.
You have to let me know. Papuntahin ko sa bahay, sit down and talk. Kasi marunong tayo mag-imbestiga at nakikita natin sa mga the way sa yung mga sagot niya,
Mysterious.
sa body language niya, if talagang seryoso or just a fling. You have to let me know. Anyway guys, katig ko lang siya dito sa kanyang
Is
work.
there starting again from first, like from Charlie's Lifeline?
Yeah.
It's starting again?
Yeah, today they have a race today.
Who won?
I don't
Dito
know.
ba?
No,
Sa kabila?
sa atin.
Why?
Kasi mas malapit yan.
Ah, okay.
Max Verstappen.
Dut. Dut. Kali, gusto mo ng Tim Horton? Gusto ko ng coffee.
Why do you always want coffee? Coffee's not.
Kali, when you get older, you're gonna love coffee.
No, I hate coffee. I'm never gonna smoke. No.
You're never gonna smoke.
No,
That's
don't
good.
do it. Yeah. Don't do it.
Because you will get like cancer.
Yeah, exactly. You get lung cancer. Kali's smart.
I told you. You like white girls.
Kali studies
Right, Kali?
brain too.
Yeah.
Kali,
see?
you're gonna get my reviewer for my brain, right? Like the brain textbook that I have.
And 60 plus 60 is 120.
Oh my
Wow.
God! How did you know that one, Kali?
Who told you how to do math?
2 plus 2.
4.
Oh my
4 plus 4
God!
is 8.
Wow.
4 plus 4 is 8. Wow, perfect.
But Kali doesn't know how to speak French yet.
Oh,
He
Kali.
didn't study French the whole summer.
Oh my God, Kali.
He only knows Skibidi Riz.
No.
Skibidi and Roblox, right?
No.
Can you speak French?
Yeah, he speaks
Can you speak French?
Fisherman.
Try it.
Why the only 1 minute? It's not even school time yet.
Yeah, just speak French.
No.
Okay, bye.
Boy,
Bye. Kiss
Love
Ate.
you.
Can you guys speak
Yeah.
back here too?
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks. Bye.
Hospital.
She's a grown girl already, man. Laki na niya. Bilis ng panahon. Dati mo lang karga-karga pero ngayon nagtatrabaho na, nagda-drive na. Yeah.
I don't know what are the strongest bugs in the whole entire world.
The what?
The whole strongest bugs.
The strongest book?
The bugs.
Bugs?
Yeah, how strong are they?
I'm not sure.
Like a beetle?
I'm not
or
sure.
Like a hornet?
I'm not sure, bro.
Hornets and honeybees and all of the bees and wasps have like stingers. So I think they're the most strongest.
Mm-hmm.
But why do you never play Roblox?
What?
Roblox.
Why? I'm not
Yes.
playing Roblox?
Yeah.
For
they
what?
They have cool games.
No, I don't like it.
Why?
No, I don't like it.
Yes, you do.
That's only for just like you.
They have like truck games. Like you have a truck.
Pero nagpe-play ako before ng nung StarCraft.
StarCraft?
Yeah, it's a team game. Like you have to create soldiers to protect your bunkers, attack, defense. Yeah, naglalaro ako niyan before.
I play Roblox and then I posted like every game I like but I always see on YouTube like Roblox players always like play Bricks King.
What's that?
Bricks King, like, so you have to like have like a ball and then it goes like around like really fast, and when it goes inside the cubes
Mm-hmm.
it will like keep on touching the balls and then they will disappear and then you'll get more points. See it on like Bricks King. Bricks King. Wait, did you remember when I had a phone? I was to play the backroom games.
What is that?
Like the backroom games, like I was supposed to play on my phone.
I can't remember.
When I was 4, I was supposed to use a phone,
Oh yeah, yeah.
and I have like Roblox on there
Mm-hmm.
and like a backroom game. I'm supposed to have a phone, but my phone broke.
Video protected.
Can I get for you?
I want a pizza.
Do you have a pizza?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, can you give a one?
What kind of pizza?
What do you have there?
We have a pepperoni, bacon, everything, chicken parmesan, and the simple cheese.
Pepperoni, please.
Pepperoni pizza. Any dipping with it?
Dippings?
Yeah, any
What?
dipping sauce?
What is the choices for dipping
We
sauce?
have a habanero, mayo, cilantro.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Anyway, one pizza and one large triple steep tea.
And the large TC triple. Anything else for you?
That's everything, ma'am.
Have your points set and payment ready before the window, please.
Thank you.
Whoa!
You like it?
Yeah.
Enjoy, okay?
Huh?
Ilan ba yan? Ilang piraso yan?
There's like 6.
Bigyan mo si Uwa, okay?
Yeah. There's like 1 and 2 and 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 2, 3.
Bigyan mo si Uwa ng 3.
3?
Yeah, 3 kayo ni Uwa, okay?
Yeah.
Sharing is caring, right?
Yeah. Da-da-da-da.
Sharing is caring. Doon mo na lang kakainin sa bahay?
Yeah.
Doon na lang.
Where are we going?
Ha?
Where are we going? We're going this way.
We're gonna make a U-turn.
Right, you guys. But how about you just look this way and then just go straight on the other side?
The what?
See, you just go that way and this way and then you just turn. Or you can do that.
Meron akong i-unbox isang surveillance camera para sa bahay natin. Halos ngayon dito lahat may CCTV, di ba? So, ito ay solar power, hindi mo kailangan ng baterya, hindi mo kailangan ng i-charge pa, but solar power from Anran. Anran. Manual. There you go. Solar power. Hindi mo kailangan ng baterya. So, nandito niya ay smart home surveillance camera, remote access by app, playback or record video by micro SD card, and enhanced high definition night vision, intelligent motion detection, and clearway audio. So itong clearway audio, meron sa speaker, pwede ka makipag-usap. And kagandahan, ito siya solar. Hindi mo na siya kailangan ng baterya. Hindi mo na siya kailangan tanggalin para i-charge. So, kakabit mo lang siya, meron ka ng surveillance camera around your perimeter, di ba? Okay. That's it. So guys, yun ang Anran solar surveillance cam. Meron silang apps. So dito sa apps, makikita mo na pwede mo siyang alarm, pwedeng light. See? Meron siyang ilaw sa gabi. Pwede din siyang siren, pwede ka makipag-usap. So pwede ka makipag-usap doon pag meron kang makitang taong ano. Hello? So pwede siya sa lights. Then pwede din siyang siren pag merong tingin mo may pumasok sa likod mo. Okay. Then meron siyang apps na gamitin. And so far so good. Hindi ganun kaganda yung megapixel niya, yung resolution niya, but 3MP yung megapixel niya, but it's okay. Okay na rin siya. Sa apps niya, marami kang choices. Ilaw, siren, then pwede ka makipag-usap. So yung link ng kanilang product nandyan sa aking description. Kung gusto nyong bumili ng Andran, marami silang, itong pinadala sa akin, hindi lang itong pinaka the best, but marami silang product na pwede nyong pagpipilian kung kukuha kayo sa kanilang website. Guys, again, gagala na naman kami.
Ma, can I build Lego there at Bully Park?
Why?
I wanna build Lego.
Anong bibilin mo ba?
But will you go to and me and Mama will go to the Lego store?
Ang dami bibili. Wow! Ang dami bibili. Sabi ni Papa.
Sige, sa Monday na lang. Monday na lang daw. Opo. Wala sila ngayon sa Shopee. Not ay, brown ang aking t-shirt. Brown ang aking sombrero. Ano, color of the day?
Hindi naman. Para naman ito. Moose green.
Ha?
Moose green.
Moose green? Hindi man green yan? Hindi man green.
Moose.
Moose. Tinanong ko si Gali kanina. Pag mag-grown up na daw siya, like Ninong Howard, ano daw ang gusto niyang girlfriend? White or Filipino? He said white.
Uwa.
How about you, Uwa? Uwa? Like,
What doesn't work like?
huh?
What doesn't work like?
You like Filipino Uwa? Or white? Uwa?
Nakomment.
So pupunta lang kami ng Polo Park. Para ba to? Anong bibilin mo, Na-board ka na sa bahay, no?
Pants at saka yung
Sweater?
Sweater. Gusto niya siya pipili.
Saan? Sa H&M?
No.
Saan? Old
Old
Navy?
daw.
Saan ba yung Old Navy?
Doon sa kahilera ng mga Best Buy.
Best Buy. Polo Park?
Oo, yung kahilera yun. Una lang ang Old Navy.
Ay, dun sa... Hindi na pupunta Polo Park.
Sabi, pupunta tayo.
Bakit?
Pupunta ko ng Bath and Body.
Ah, okay.
Tinatawag na.
Unahan mo natin si Uwa. Ha?
Pa, still bringing that to the Philippines.
Which one? The car?
The recording.
The recording? Of course.
Video protected.
Ba't ayaw mong dalhin ko? What? Ayaw mo?
You're gonna be recording all the time, eh.
Because I'm a vlogger, bro. Wala na tayong gas. Mamaya na lang. Abot tayo ng 81 kilometers. Ay, may madadaanan yata tayo eh. Mas mura eh.
Oo, dun sa may ano.
Doon tayo dadaan.
Malapit sa superstore.
It's a starlight. Uy, tawag dito. Yung neck pillow nila.
But is this camera like look at the back too?
No.
It's only on the front.
Kain. Walang Jollibee ni.
Wala. Iuwi dito.
I want baby Kali.
May soft drinks ka pa dito. Tinarang ko ikaw. Pineapple juice?
Did you buy something, man?
No.
I got the same bag as you.
That's not the Lululemon?
Yeah.
The fuck? Copycat.
Copycat.
Ata.
Why asa ayaw sa Aritzia?
Don't tell Kali,
Wala.
please.
Oh, there's not.
Ata.
Don't tell Kali, please. No, 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 no. Oh.
Why?
Papa was up buying them for the rest Legos.
It's not your birthday anymore.
Yes! Yes! I made it! I made it!
I'll buy you when you come back from the birthday.
Yes!
I'll buy you Star Wars.
But he didn't say the same words as you.
Like, like,
Ay, dyan, anak, may ketchup.
yes!
Sa ilalim.
But Ata. But Papa was being so mean.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I'm not so mean! I'm not mean!
You said you were gonna tell Ata.
Don't tell Ata.
But too late, I already told Ata.
Ay, di may bag kayo ng Lululemon?
Oo.
Sa akin na lang yung bag na yun. Dahil ko ng lunch.
Baunan mo.
Don't tell Ata, okay?
I tell Ata.
Oh, ganun. Makikinga. Alam mo yung nuggets ko, ma?
Mm.
Nung tinira ko for myself sa McDonald's. Kinain din naman.
Hayaan mo na.
I don't know where the rest went. When I went to the fridge, there was only 2 left.
Bumili pa yun ng dami. T-shirt at
Birthday mo?
pants.
No, just
Susuot niya.
Just Mama's hat.
Suot mo sa Philippines?
Yeah.
Astig mo ha. Bumili ka pang bago ha.
To,
Siyempre.
sana all. Nandyan si Papa eh, sa si Mama eh.
At saka minsan lang naman yan mag-angas.
Yeah. Hindi man yan ano pala hingi. Unlike Kali.
Si Kara di nyo binili ng Lego?
Ata, daming Lego sa bahay.
Ata. He's complaining nga. Siya lang ang walang nabili.
Hmm.
It's okay, Kali. Ate will buy you.
No,
What do you want?
Pero ang susuot niya, mga bago din.
You want Minecraft?
no,
Minecraft Lego?
no.
Okay.
Fix your lid.
It's a secret from Papa, okay?
Kuskuta.
Yeah.
Uy, ito kayo diba?
Kuskuta.
Ha?
Walang pagkain si Ata.
Ah, okay. Diyos ko.
Magugutumin niyo ako?
Sabi ko sa iyo.
Baka nag-aayang ko.
Para si Uwa dati na malito. Papatayin niya ako! Patayin mo ka ako!
Sa ano pa yun? Sa gondola?
Sa gondola. Patayin niyo ka ako!
Ang gaganda ng bulak lang.
Wait, it's so over.
Yun yung kagaya kay tita eh. Di ba?
Gaganda. Ata ah.
Patayin niyo ka ako!
Gusto ko magpumukha na akong office na lang makikita ko everyday.
Yeah. Talaga.
Okay guys.
Lock it!
Lock it. Lock it.
Under my hand.
Let's go. Ako na. Yeah.
Knee pain?
Yeah, yung sa anong vitamins para sa knee.
Bakit itong kinuha mo?
Mine.
Akala ko kumuha ka nun.
Ito.
Ano, meron dito sa Costco. Ayan. Glucosamine.
They
Yeah.
have it. This is Costco.
Yeah.
Maybe. Hindi. Sarap to. Alam mo bang kami lang nakaubos na?
Tingnan, ano yan?
Ha?
Ano yan? Kukia.
Hanggang.
Tara na. Wala na?
Wala na.
Let's go. And to the sound. Low. Danke. Ang ulo mo. O di, wag na to, wag na to. Huwag mo ilagay sa ano.
Abay, magdudumi naman.
Hindi na, itong pagkain nilagay mo. Dudumi. Madudumihan din naman yan. Yeah. Open. Into the sun. Outside. Da-da-da. Ice cream. Sus. Daming ice cream. Kukikya. Oh. Ito ba na kasama to? Okay. Return the cart. Ay, ay, ay. Init, guys. Oh.
So
Guys,
hot.
turning it on.
But put it auto.
No.
Kasi mama has the key. Papa, maglalak yung brake.
Bakit? Ayaw?
Boy!
Hindi ako nag-alis ng jacket.
Ako hindi mo itong alis ng jacket.
Ay, nakasando lang ako.
Hi, Andre!
Pinsan ng kanya.
Pa, ako magbablog
Ha?
daw sa
Hindi, iiwanan ko lang aking GoPro dito.
Iwanan daw sa iyo.
Ikaw,
vlog.
ikaw muna mag-vlog, Insan.
Baka na have the juice.
Ampun ako na.
Baka na have the juice. Baka na have the juice.
Juice daw niya. Okay, let's go na.
Ma, I'm gonna take a picture.
Ba't ka maghahubad na? Maghahubad ka na? Ang Diyos ko po naman ang anak ko.
Oh, that's too much.
It's hot.
My back is hot. Oh, here. It's hot.
Because of the light.
Now I wanna take
It's fine, just sit. It's getting colder
Oh.
now. It's getting colder.
Take off your glasses first. Say
Bye-bye.
bye.
Ang
Nag-aalis
dami
na daw po siya ng t-shirt.
Ang dami din na pamili.
Ayun na, naghubad na si Kali.
Abi, si Kali binilhan ko ng pang-winter. Si Kali, binilhan ko ng pang-winter. Kailangan eh. Mag-winter na.
What?
Anong kwan? Anong kwan?
Ah, sobrang init, grabe.
Wow.
How much more kaya sa Pinas?
One.
It's double.
Double, triple? Bang, gutter ang kanyang...
It's double the heat. It's really hot there. I'm not exaggerating. Okay, I think you guys can put up the windows now. Si Kali, feel ko maghuhubad din dun.
Naku. Parang lasinggerong ano.
Wait, the door.
Naku, hindi pa tayo nakabili ng ano dito eh.
Mm-hmm.
Ayun din na. Mangitim ko, mangitim. Ang kulay ko nga, parang ano na eh. Parang brown fox na eh. Galing naman tayo sa Pilipinas, kaya ayos na yan. God bless you. Nagubad, Eskali? Oh my God. Ba't yan nagubad na? Hot?
Ay, nagubad ng ano ko.
Anyway guys, yan ang aming errands today. Go here, go there, point A, point B. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Hindi na muna ako mag-keep safe at keep on tracking kasi wala naman ako sa Manubela ngayon. I mean sa ano eh, tracking. Basta pagkamping mo tanan. I'll see you guys sa next video. Bye bye.